Welcome to the class. In the Partnership Act 1932 series, today let's talk about duties and rights of partners. As we have seen, if there is a duty, there is also a right. It's the same with partners as well. So, we are going to discuss what are the duties of partners and what are their rights. So, let's see. Yes, so first we are going to discuss duties and liabilities. Before I go to duties, let me tell you, we all know that a partnership is a peculiar form of business organization in which partners are having unlimited liability, isn't it? Everybody knows because the word partnership is so common and the kinds of partnership we have already learned, and therefore we are aware that in a partnership partners are having unlimited liability. Therefore we are going to talk about duties of a partner. Okay, let's see. General duties. General duties means these are duties expected from a contracting party. Say for example, whenever we enter into an agreement, we are expected to be diligent, careful, sincere, honest, transparent, etc. Isn't it? Yes, not only in contracts. These characteristics are required in all kinds of relationship for better relationship to sustain. So the same principle applies in partnership as well, because basically partnership is a contract, isn't it? Yes, and therefore partners are expected to be diligent, careful, sincere, honest and transparent when it comes to his duties. Okay, now what next? Yes, in a partnership, it is easy for a partner to make private profit because the structure is like that normally it is one partner who runs the business for others, and therefore there are chances that one partner who is managing the affair can make private profit out of it. But there is a duty for every partner that he or she will not make private profit out of the partnership business. Okay, that's not fair, that's not ethical. And in case if any partner makes private profit, the law says that the partner must declare his private profit. Okay, better not to make it. Indemnify. Yes, we have already learned what is indemnification. Yes, it is making good the loss of another person. Here, partner is duty bound to make good the loss if it is caused by him. How does he cause? Yes, he might cause a loss to the firm either by his own negligence or by a fraud committed by him. And in case if he has caused any loss to the firm because of his negligence or fraud, he must indemnify the firm. A person, while being a part of one partnership, should not set up a competing business because it is not good for the partnership firm, and therefore partners are duty bound not to set up a competing business. Yes, partnership is a special form of business organization where the transfer of interest is not allowed. In case of a company, we know member can transfer his share, but that is not allowed, not possible in case of a partnership. Okay, that's all about duties and liabilities. Now we are going to discuss about the rights of partners. Let's see. Yes, rights of partner. All partners, whether the partner is an active partner, nominal partner, dormant partner, partner has a right to take part in the business of the firm. Partner has a right to access the books of accounts any point of time whenever the partner demands. They must be given for his or her verification. Yes, Sharing profit is one of the fundamental features of partnership. Therefore, partners must share profit. Each partner has a right to be consulted when decisions are taken. Whenever important decisions are taken, they must be taken with the approval, permission, and consultation of all the partners. Outgoing partners' rights are determined according to the partnership deed. So normally it is written in clear terms what will be the rights of an outgoing partner and how and with what procedure a partner can leave the firm. So it depends on the terms of the partnership deed. Yes, we have already seen that the partner has a duty to indemnify if a loss is caused by his negligence or fraud. So similarly, other partners will have a right to be indemnified by the partner who has caused the loss. Yes, right to retire is also a right which will be determined according to the partnership deed. Partnership deed is supposed to have all these provisions regarding admission, investment, business, rights, duties, liabilities and retirement. Okay, so these are the rights of partners according to Partnership Act 1932. I hope it's clear to you. If you have suggestions, comments, need any clarification, make use of my comment box. I'll be happy to help.